Hello Australia, and hello Mind Medicine Australia. It's a great pleasure to be here in your beautiful country to deliver a series of lectures and talks and workshops and retreats over the next 5 weeks. I'm here with a psychiatrist colleague, Dr Lauren McDonald from the United Kingdom, and between the two of us we're holding a series of different retreats over the next 3 weeks, and then I'm embarking on an exciting tour of multiple dates providing workshops and lectures to the general public and to mental health professionals. As you know, Australia is in an incredibly privileged position at the moment. World-leading advances are being made right here in your fair country. For the first time anywhere in the world, MDMA and psilocybin-assisted psychotherapies will be available as treatments, not just research programs, but treatments for people with severe mental disorders such as post-traumatic stress disorder and severe depression. It's been a great privilege working with colleagues across the world and from MMA to help bring about this TGA decision, and now to be here in person in your country to help implement it. Your psychiatrists, doctors, nurses, therapists, pharmacists, managers, counsellors, all of these professionals with excellent mental health skills now need to pretty quickly come up to the mark and enter the field of psychedelic research. It's fair to say that Australia is not at the front of the world for psychedelic research until now, and now you are leading the pack. I'm really pleased to be here to help you out with that process. I'm a consultant psychiatrist and I've been a doctor for over 25 years, and I've been working in the field of psychedelic research for 20 years. I'm an MDMA, psilocybin and ketamine trained therapist. But above all else, I love teaching and educating, and that's why it's a great pleasure to be here. I'm enjoying the beautiful sunny atmosphere here in Sydney, and then I'm off to Melbourne, and then back to Sydney, and then to Canberra, and then to Melbourne, back and forth all over the place for the next 5 weeks. I'm very grateful for MMA for giving me this opportunity. I really hope to be doing some good work over the next 5 weeks. Do come and check it out. Thank you.